Hi everyone, let us discuss one question related to concept of torque, or better to say rotation about a fixed axis. Rotation of a rigid body about a fixed axis, or rotational dynamics you can say. And here again you will use the same sequence series formula. Let's take the question. A rod of length NL. So there is a rod having length how much? NL, and hinged at one point vertically, and n number of force each of F acted on it simultaneously along horizontal at points L, 2L, 3L, so on NL. So here there is a force F at a distance L. There is another force F at a distance 2L. And there is one more force at a distance 3L, so on. There is one more force at a distance NL. So there are n number of forces, all are equal. They are acting simultaneously at a different perpendicular distance. So when a force acts on a particle and the body rotates, then what is the torque formula? R perpendicular into force. So what is the torque? All forces are trying to rotate the body in similar manner. What kind of manner? Anti-clockwise. So all torques can be added directly. So the total torque is first torque L into F plus second torque 2L into F plus 3L into F plus 4L into F, so on, NL into F. Then what is the total torque will become? So you can take F into L common, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus so on N. So that FL N into N plus 1 by 2, sum of natural numbers. Or else same question they can give like n number of forces F, 2F, 3F, so on NF acting at different distances. In such case, what is the total torque will become? For first force LF. But for second force 2F, 2L. For third force 3F, 3L. Like that, then it will become 1 square plus 2 square plus so on n square. Then you will have to use the sum of square of natural numbers. So this is how the force and torque concept you can understand in case of rigid body rotation. And in the same case, they can also ask what is the initial angular acceleration. What is the initial angular acceleration? After finding torque, you equate it to I alpha. Torque tau equal to I alpha, where alpha is torque by I, where I is moment of inertia. What is this moment of inertia? Moment of inertia about axis of rotation. So moment of inertia of a body about axis of rotation. So about this axis. So about what axis? An axis passing through its edge and perpendicular to length. So what is the moment of inertia of a rod? So the moment of inertia is ml square by 3. So what is the length? NL whole square by 3. So you can find moment of inertia, then you can find angular acceleration. So you can get torque, then you can get angular acceleration. So this is how you deal with the questions related to what? Rigid body rotation. Many times they have asked a question based on this, that what is the initial angular acceleration? To find angular acceleration you need to find torque. So for multiple forces, multiple torques, you must consider each torque, you must consider their direction, then you have to get the resultant torque. Thank you.